Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are printing something from what person it's from, but we are printing this on our brand new Nebula P1S. I named it the Beefy MRI because that's what it sounds like whenever it starts up. And so the brand that this is STLFLIX, and obviously on my E1S. So my A1 is actually not printing right now. I was having some trouble with the build plate, and this thing will not come off. If you want better adhesion, use a cryo grit. It's amazing, but I like the cryo grit more than the cryo grit build plate, so it's better, and it's not as strong as adhesion, but it's so much better. My personal belief. But anyways, so we printed some cool stuff, but yeah, just fix this. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to be showing y'all, just this one thing that I'm going to show y'all, is my dragon egg. It's big. This one took me about 7 hours to make, and good news is I finally labeled all of my products on the bottom, so this one is 20. Used a lot of filament. I think it was like 200 grams. Then you can open it up. It's out there. And we have a copper dragon with, I don't know if y'all can see that, yellow eyes. So that's really cool. It's one of my favorite prints that I've made so far. But hopefully with this new company that I'm using, it's going to be really easy and really quick, and it's going to make me a lot more money for my business. And it was only $200. It's not bad for 3,500 models. See if I can do a cute little top view of the print. Here it is going. So yeah, if y'all want more time lapses, let me know and I can start making more of them. But y'all have a great rest of your day. I'll see y'all in the next video.